you want to learn how to nollie kickflip? So two tricks you're gonna need to know how to do is a kickflip and a nollie. They don't really have anything to do with each other, but a kickflip so that you know how to do a kickflip and land on the board and your confidence is high, and a nollie so that you can actually pop the nollie kickflip. So what is a nollie kickflip? A nollie kickflip is this is a regular kickflip. I'm goofy, right foot forward. A nollie kickflip would be I'm riding forward and I'm flicking off the other side. It's ambidextrous, it's like left-handed. This is probably gonna be your first nollie or switch kind of flip trick. Something that I can assure you on is that it's not gonna be any easier than the first time you landed a kickflip. You have to practice it like a regular kickflip. When we first do this trick, you wanna have your front foot kind of like in a nollie shove it position. And then your back foot wants to be completely straight. This is for your first nollie flip, not your best one. So this stance so that when you pop, it angles a little bit this way. Flicking foot is super duper up here and your toes are on the board. It's gonna make it flip really fucking fast. That back foot is in a shove it position like we had discussed earlier, and the front foot is completely straight, ready to flick. Yeah, overall though, nollie flip's pretty easy. Just make sure you put the time to practice it. You don't want to be the guy at the park who can't do any nollie tricks. It's more fun than skating regular.